How to delete your BeReal account. For that purpose, head over to your BeReal app and go onto your profile. And onto your profile, you're going to head over and click onto the top hand side, right? Three dots right here, and then you're going to head over to other into the settings. Here you're going to just simply click onto the delete account option. Once you click on delete account options, you will be prompted to know that all of your data is going to be permanently deleted in 15 days. However, if you decide to log in within those 15 days, your account will no longer be deleted. Just choose a certain type of reasons why you'd like to leave BeReal. Let's just say you do not have enough friends, and then you can just simply click on yes, I'm sure. And once you click on yes, I'm sure, it will automatically delete your account. But if you decide to change your mind and log in immediately within 15 days, you can still retrieve your account safely and securely. So this is it for this video, and this is how you can delete your BeReal account permanently.